Alright, here's the radiator, the XL radiator. This is how it came packaged from Allisport, Florida arrival. Very heavy. Very nice. It looks like it's very well packaged. I mean, this does have the fan kit. That's probably where the big weight is. It has the small fan. So they did a really good job at packing, I believe. Let's start opening this up. So we'll just slowly make a small little incision here. And then use a scissor. It's like some static cling black saran wrap or something. It's pretty cool. Alright. Nice. I should have done these videos a long time ago when I first received them, but fortunately work is good, and so between work and family there's not a lot of time left for the Rover, and I have another car that I use for work all the time now until this one gets back on the road, since I stopped using it in order to install a bunch of these upgrades. You'll all see them if you subscribe. So, take this time, subscribe. Thank you. Right. They spared no expense with the bubble wrap, and I'm really, really appreciative of them for doing that. You can never pack stuff up too much. It's either time or money. Pick one. If you have the time to go through the claims process, then they don't have to pack it up that well. And then again, your claim might get denied. Alright, so now the other side of this, just so everybody can see how the cardboard is before I open it up. There it is. I can tell by the bulge on this side that this might be where the fans are. I'm gonna grab some lunch. Let me close this up. I'll be right back. Okay, and we're back. So, let's open this up. Okay. starting to show its colors. Oh yeah, look at that thing. Oh, and they did, just like they did on the frame, they did a really nice roll-up piece of cardboard to protect the tabs that go on the top of the radiator. Very, very nice. Okay, let's get this up and out. And they did the same thing for the bottom. This is the one that holds onto the bottom. Alright. Brass filler. Wow, these are beautiful when they're new, aren't they? There you go, that's the spall. Here's the thermostat switch. Very cool. A 3-prong thermostat switch. Which I don't know if mine is a 3-prong. Now I'm going to have to go find that switch. Here's for the spall fan itself, which I already have that connector. This is bolted on right here. Here, here, and here. Wow, well, the welds on these things are really nice. They're very proud of their welding because they do a great job. Really, really nice job. Let's get you a little closer look. Bottom side. And they did put a type of gasket right here. You can see that between the shroud and the aluminum itself on both sides. Now the radiator is quite hefty. It definitely weighs. Operator number 7, one of the operators that worked on the XL frame. Here you have your threaded bottom oil cooler, top oil cooler, and the overflow tank, the expansion tank, and the 2 inlet and the outlet. Really nice. Great job, everybody over there. Okay, let's set that down. Oh, sorry, I didn't show anybody the front. Gotta be careful with this thing. Look at those welds. Let me turn it around. Show you the other side. Beautiful, huh? That's a nice piece of work. It's big. It's pretty wide. Looks like it's going to stand up to the Florida heat just fine. Okay. Alright. Thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. And I'm posting a bunch of other videos. I'm going to have another video for the unboxing of the full-size intercooler. And also another video where I'm going to assemble this radiator inside the XL frame that this radiator needs when it goes in there. And then in front of the XL frame, I guess, is where you drill and install your full-size intercooler. And that's that. So we'll take it from there, and I'll see you all on the next one. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching.